Hi guys, welcome to the FullStackSDET channel. So in this video, I'm going to talk about like another Selenium method that is getCSSValue. So basically, this method, what it does is like you get the CSS property of an web element, right? So let me take you to the some of the element here. So you can see like let me inspect this username or the login field, right? So what happens is like on the right hand side, you will see on this style like a tab over here, and you can just expand a bit so you can see all these like different styling attributes which actually adds the look and feel of this particular web element. So you can see the background color is red, border is this much 2 pixels, solid color is hash shape. So right, so all these are called like various css properties, right? So we can handle all these things using get css value, right? And that is the method. So let's try to implement this like I'll show you clearly. So this is for login button. So let me enable this. Now it's login dot get attribute, right? When you do that, you will be seeing the complete details of the documentation of this particular method, right? So basically it accepts as a string the css property that we want to fetch it at the runtime. So it gets the value of the given attribute of the web element. It will return the current value even if this has been modified after the page has been loaded, right? So more exactly, like this method will return the value of the property with the given name if it exists. If it does not, then the value of the attribute with the given name is returned. If neither exists, null is returned, right? So the style attribute is converted at best can be to a text representation with a trailing semicolon, right? So let's try to get some of the property here for the login button, right? So what I do is like I'll just go to this website over here. So firstly, what attribute? Let me try to get this background color, right? Just background color, and I'll just print it on the console, right? And if I just run it quickly to check what it is returning. So, all right, so it is returning null value here. So let me see if it is not matching here. So let's rerun once more. And this time also it is returning null. So let's try with some other CSS property. Let's see if it is the same scenario there. Let's say border. Still it is returning as null here, but ideally it should not get the attribute. Oh, sorry, it should say as CSS value. My bad. So that is why it was not returning. Now it should work fine. So this time it shouldn't give us real-time values. All right, so you can see like we got this background color in terms of like our GVA values. Like you can already learn, go through this on some of the websites, right? What is this combination? Then we have this border. Let's try to get in some more CSS property here. So let me try to put it here. So we got this background color border. And now let us try to get some other values. Like let me try to get color again. Oops. And then we have, I'll just get padding here. And then we have font size. All right. So you can get any CSS property value here. So you can see all these values we got it here. So first one was background color. So you can see we are getting the correct. This is in the hack hexadecimal format, right? So that has been converted to RGBA format because color is represented here in terms of like RGB or RGBA format. So you can read about this on some of the websites, right? Then we have this border here, which is like 2 pixels solid RGB. Then we have padding 0 and 20 pixel, and then we have font size at 15.4 pixel, right? Which is like giving the value from here, right? You can see the font size and the padding at 0 and then 20 pixel, right? So this is how it is working. So you can use this getCSS value method to get some of the properties or the any properties that you want to get it at the runtime to perform some kind of testing there. So you can make use of this getCSS value method, and based on that you can perform the testing. All right, so that's all in this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.